Pangit ang view.
Ha?
At ang pangit ang view, sabi ko, mukha ko pala yung nakikita ko.
Sino?
Cellphone ko.
Mukha mo?
Mukha ko pala nakikita.
Yung guys, so dito kami sa Reina Rica. Nandito kami ngayon sa bundok. Bahay ni Reina Rica. Dami nating mga Catholics. Yan yung pogi kong pinsan, no? Yan ang mayari ng kotse kanina na, ano, na nagpablasingan natin. Dito kami sa hall area. Ayan, dito yung mga kainan. May kainan yata dito sa ground floor, eh. Or maybe they're having a mass right now. Ang end ng mass dito is 12:15. So, ayan, this is the view. Ayan, di ba? Tara, kaya tayo. Tara. We can go up and up. Dandaan lang para, no? Hindi naman ako kukuha yan sa...
Don't hurry.
Don't hurry.
Because
Oh.
you are not hurry.
Look, there's a cow over there. There's a cow. Yeah, no? Look at this, guys. Daming tao. Including us. See?
You want to go there? Mama Mary? Oh, let's go.
You can be there in a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wow.
Dali.
This is the place here in Antipolo. I mean in Tanay. Yan guys.
To the house of Father.
This is the area which they held the mass. And right now, finished na po. Maraming mga matatanda together with their families. Look, we're here. Tapos na rin yung misa. But I will try to go nearer. Where's the wishing well? Here is the wishing well. Bira na pong buksan yan.
Mabura lang eh.
Ha? Samantalay na natin, mabindisyonan tayo. Diba?
Inuhulog ka.
Ha? Hindi mo hinawakan eh.
Nahulog yung bote.
Kanina yun.
Ano ka ba? Ba't iniiwan yung dami?
Hindi, basta importante, mabasa lang tayo ng
Dapat hindi iniiwan yung dami.
mabasa lang tayo ng tubig. Diba? Yan.
Nasaan sila?
Sa baba.
Maganda dito.
Bar.
Oh. Okay.
This is Reina Rica. I love Mama Mary. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Mother Mary, bless us. Daming tao. Ano, mamaw? Diba?
Hawayan. Ito Hawayan. Hawayan daw.
Pahawayan.
Ito Hawayan.
I found a teacher.
Pahawayan, ibig sabihin, pahingahan.
Pahingahan.
Diba?
Oh, I
Marami yung gurong.
Ayan guys.
Look, the chopper.
Oh, there's a chopper.
Helicopter!
Ayun ay sundo mo.
Helicopter!
There's a chopper. There's another one, oh.
Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter!
See you guys. See you around.